Ever feel like your ads are just throwing money into a black hole? Yeah, that's not a marketing strategy. That's a cry for help. Running ads isn't just boost, post, and pray. It's a science, mixed with a little sorcery, sprinkled with a lot of data. That's where We Are Ariel steps in. We decoded the chaos so you don't have to. And no, we don't use dark magic. Just strategy, experience, and way too much coffee. Most businesses guess. Wrong audience, wrong visuals, wrong message, wrong everything. It's okay. We fix wrong things. It's our hobby at this point. We create ads that attract, engage, and convert, not confuse people into blocking your page. Whether it's Google, Meta, TikTok, whatever, we build a system that actually works. And your budget? We treat it like it's our own. No wasting, no guessing. No, let's just see what happens. Every dollar has a job. When the strategy clicks, everything goes up. Leads, revenue, brand awareness. And everything you hate goes down. Cost per click, stress levels, and late-night Google searches like, why aren't my ads working? We're small enough to care, smart enough to scale, and skilled enough to fix messes you didn't even know you made. If you want ads that actually perform, creatives that actually convert, and a team that actually understands what they're doing, let's take your business Ariel. We are Ariel, smarter ads, better results, happier business owners.